So we have business activity, and for business activity, we're simply talking about those things that makes us be able to sell. So it starts with output. So whatever effort you put into producing a product, you are putting it together because you want to sell. So how are you going to be able to sell? You're going to be able to sell because you have land, labor, capital, and enterprise. So this is a pen. Without the FOPs, we won't have this pen. So which simply means whatever we sell out there, without the factors of production, we cannot sell. Without the factors of production, I cannot teach. Without the factors of production, you can't even have a cloth to wear. So it simply means we need to combine land, labor, capital, and enterprise together before we can sell a product or a service. So how does it work? Let's check. Land. So this is a pen, right?
Yeah.
It is made up of plastic and the rest, yes or no?
Yeah.
So that means we need natural resources to have this pen, isn't it? That's the first step. But natural resources will not give us the pen.
Yeah.
The pen needs to be converted. The rubber from the plantation, the natural resources have to be converted together to make something sensible like this, yes or no?
Yeah.
So we need capital. These are equipment that will help us to convert the natural resources into a finished good. Yes or no? Yes or no, please? Yes. Great. Now, this is capital, equipment, machines. We need them to convert this. Yeah. But it doesn't end there. We need equipment. We need people to work here. So that means this pen will not be made available without people operating the machine. That is labor. Do you get it now?
Yeah.
So first, we start with land, which is natural resources. Then we have capital, which converts these resources into something like this. Then there's going to be people would have to work to be able to operate the machine, yes or no?
Yeah.
That is labor. But all in all, we need a company, we need an entrepreneur who thinks that it is important to make a pen. Isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a pen.
Yeah.
Without a company, without the entrepreneur who has the idea to make a pen, we won't have a pen. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So that means land, capital, labor needs who? An entrepreneur.
Oh.
No.
On two, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait.
Okay, it's loading. Okay, good. So what we're saying is this: without an entrepreneur who has a business idea, who has the money to put into it to make this pen, we would never have this pen. Does it make sense now?
Without a company,
We can't have this. And we can't have a company without an individual coming up with his own money to start it up. That's why we call it what? Risk. Why is it a risk? It's a risk because you're not going to sell to your brother, you're not going to sell to your sister, you're not going to sell to your family. You sell it to customers who don't care about who you are. They only care about what? Your product. Is it making sense here, please?
Yeah.
So we have the business activity, which helps us to have output, either goods or services, right? Goods or services. Before the goods and services, we need the factors of production: land, labor, capital, enterprise. So why do we need land? Land gives us the natural resources we need. Capital, the equipment, the money we put into the business. Labor, those who work in that business. Then enterprise, the office of the entrepreneur. And who is the entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is that individual who has taken the risk to set up that business. Is business activity clear?
Yeah.
So whenever we talk about business activity will help us to what? To produce output. And output comes from the input: land, labor, capital. So we have output. We have output, which comes from inputs: land, labor, capital, and enterprise. We convert all this